10 Silent Signs of Cancer You should never ignore. Cancer is often called the silent killer because it can develop without noticeable symptoms in its early stages. However, the body sometimes sends subtle warning signs that should never be ignored. Early detection is key to successful treatment and improved survival rates. As a surgical oncologist, I have seen firsthand how crucial it is to recognize these signs early. Here are 10 silent symptoms that might indicate cancer. 1. Unexplained weight loss. Losing weight without any changes in diet or exercise can be an early sign of cancers like pancreatic, stomach, lung, or esophageal cancer. If you've lost more than 5 to 10% of your body weight within 6 months without trying, it's worth investigating. 1. Why it happens. Cancer cells consume a lot of energy, and some tumors release substances that alter metabolism. 2. What to do. If weight loss is accompanied by fatigue or loss of appetite, consult a doctor immediately. 2. Persistent fatigue. Feeling exhausted even after rest. While daily fatigue can be due to stress, persistent, unexplained tiredness can be an early sign of leukemia, colon cancer, or stomach cancer. 1. Why it happens. Cancer-related fatigue occurs when the body is fighting off abnormal cell growth. Blood cancers like leukemia also affect red blood cell production, leading to anemia and fatigue. 2. What to do. If fatigue lasts for weeks and doesn't improve with rest, a medical evaluation is necessary. 3. Chronic cough or hoarseness. A cough that lingers for more than 3 weeks without a clear cause, such as infection or allergies, can be a warning sign of lung or throat cancer. 1. Why it happens. Lung tumors can irritate airways or cause fluid buildup, leading to a persistent cough. 2. What to do. If your cough produces blood, worsens at night, or is accompanied by chest pain, seek medical attention immediately. 4. Changes in bowel or bladder habits. Sudden constipation, diarrhea, or a persistent change in stool color, size, or frequency can indicate colorectal cancer. Likewise, frequent urination, difficulty urinating, or blood in the urine may signal bladder or prostate cancer. 1. Why it happens. Tumors in the colon or bladder can obstruct normal function and cause internal bleeding. 2. What to do. If changes persist for more than a month, consult a specialist. 5. Unusual bleeding or discharge. Unexpected bleeding should always raise concern. Common examples include 1. Blood in urine, bladder or kidney cancer. 2. Blood in stool, colon or rectal cancer. 3. Postmenopausal bleeding, uterine or cervical cancer. 1. Why it happens. Tumors can erode blood vessels, causing internal bleeding. 2. What to do. Any unusual bleeding should be promptly evaluated by a doctor. 6. Persistent pain, back, pelvic, or bone pain. Ongoing pain that isn't linked to an injury or strain can sometimes signal cancer. Back pain is commonly associated with pancreatic, ovarian, or bone cancer. 1. Why it happens. Cancer spreads, metastasizes, to bones or compresses nerves, causing deep, aching pain. 2. What to do. Persistent pain that doesn't improve with medication or rest should be checked. 7. Lumps or swelling, neck, breast, underarms, or groin. A new lump or swelling that does not go away within 2 to 3 weeks could indicate lymphoma, breast cancer, or other malignancies. 2. Why it happens. Cancerous growths cause abnormal tissue masses, which may or may not be painful. 2. What to do. Self-examine regularly and seek medical advice if you detect a lump. 8. Skin changes, moles, sores, or discoloration. Changes in moles, skin tone, or non-healing sores may indicate melanoma or skin cancer. Watch for 1. Asymmetrical moles. 2. Border irregularity. 3. Color changes. 4. Diameter larger than 6 mm. Why it happens? UV exposure and genetic mutations trigger uncontrolled skin cell growth. 2. What to do? Dermatological evaluation is recommended if you notice these changes. 9. Difficulty swallowing or persistent indigestion. If eating feels like a struggle or food seems to stick in your throat, it could signal esophageal or stomach cancer. Chronic indigestion and heartburn may also be a warning sign. 1. Why it happens? Tumors in the esophagus or stomach narrow the passage, making swallowing difficult. 2. What to do? If swallowing difficulties persist for more than 2 weeks, seek medical evaluation. 10. Frequent infections or fevers. Recurrent infections or low-grade fevers that persist can indicate leukemia or lymphoma. These cancers weaken the immune system, making the body prone to frequent illnesses. 1. Why it happens? Blood cancers affect white blood cell production, reducing immunity. 2. What to do? Blood tests and further investigations are needed if infections are recurrent. Takeaway: early detection saves lives. Not every symptom means cancer, but ignoring persistent, unexplained changes in your body is risky. Many cancers are curable when detected early. If you experience any of these symptoms for more than a few weeks, consult a medical professional immediately.